What's up, guys? Thank you guys so much for tuning back into the channel. As always, ignore the ducks down there. Anyway, in today's videos, as I promised, we are going to be detailing the 2006 Mustang. This thing is insanely dirty. It's been sitting for about a year, as the person told me before. It's covered in pollen. It's just absolutely nasty. Of course, we had to keep it in the garage. It's super dusty in there. It's just super filthy. A big thing we have to do today is to get the plasti dip off. We have something to remove that. But as you can see, it's in terrible shape. It looks terrible. Let me show you exactly how dirty it is, and then we get to clean it. Okay guys, so let's go ahead, get the water ready, get the cleaner ready, and let's get started cleaning this thing. Okay guys, before we start cleaning this thing, I want to let some of the wheels soak in this goof off plastic adhesive remover, just to see if it's going to work, and then we'll do the other side, but hopefully it will. We're going to go ahead and spray that on there first, and then get back to cleaning. So guys, we're going to let that sit for a little bit and then get back to cleaning.
I got you all in a panic, I'm having the time of my life, boy, I take them to church. Chirping and bragging, they helping it happen, I only imagine it's making it worse. All of this shit has been rooted so deeply inside of me, look how I came from the dirt. Ain't no one pop where I'm from, I'm the one that was chosen, I guess that I'm breaking the curse. I got you all in a panic, I'm having the time of my life, boy, I take them to church. Chirping and bragging, they helping it happen, I only imagine it's making it worse. All of this shit has been rooted so deeply inside of me, look how I came from the dirt. Ain't no one pop where I'm from, I'm the one that was chosen.
Okay guys, so first wash impressions, she looks so much better than I could have ever imagined. I mean, it's just the first wash, but you can see just all the debris, pine needles, so much pollen came off. But she looks so much better now. You can just see the paint looks so much better. She still needs to be waxed and cleaned, and the wheels, but she looks really good. I'm really happy right now. But let me show you the plastic. So we started to spray off the plasti dip, and a little bit of it came off, but it's going to be a lot harder than I had anticipated. So later I'm going to take a brush to it, scrub it off. Alright, right now we're going to go ahead and start waxing this thing, so let's do it. For cleaning this, we're just going to use some simple spray on wax, nothing crazy. I got some new microfibers. Anyway, it's already looking a ton better, so this wax should just make it pop. We still have to clean the windows and tire shine, all that good stuff, and then clean the interior.
Beaming the second I get in my element, turning my kettle to cash cow. They never act, but they ask how. Get in the booth and I black out. Did this shit straight for like 8 years, dog, and I'm still going strong, homie, that's how.
Okay guys, so after about 15 minutes of just non-stop tedious work, we managed to take the wheels from going like that to like that. I'm a big fan of the chrome. The chrome looks a lot better, but this plasti dip is just going to be such a pain to get it all off. So, I'll probably try and grind that out after the video, because that just took a long time. I like the look a lot better than the black. I think it'll look a lot cleaner. I did forget one thing. We are going to degrease under the hood. So let's go ahead and pop the hood and we clean that up, because it's super dirty under there. So as you guys can see, there's just a whole lot of pollen under here with a dented hood, which is just letting a lot of debris in. So we're going to go ahead and try and clean this up real quick. So while the degreaser is in here doing its thing, we're going to let it sit for about 10 minutes, let it soak in, get all the nastiness out. We're going to start vacuuming the inside. So let's go ahead and start that. I'll put you guys on time lapse, cool little angle. You guys can watch this, and then we'll go back and clean under the hood. Okay guys, so we went ahead and finished up the little detail on the inside. A little bit of leather care on the seats. They look a lot better. Just wiped everything down really good. Everything looks a lot cleaner. The back seats look a lot better too. I still need to clean the floor mats, but we are going to go ahead and spray off the engine real quick. Guys, just like that, this engine bay looks so much cleaner than before. All that pollen's gone, all the covers look clean, everything just looks so a lot cleaner. It looks 1,000 times better. Okay guys, that is going to be a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a little different. Usually take it to somebody else to get clean, but today we went ahead and did it ourselves and it turned out awesome. We still need to get the hood buffed, but honestly, it looks a lot better now that we cleaned it, but it will get buffed and will look color matched how it's supposed to. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give me a like, thumbs up, and subscribe. The camera's about to die, so I'll go ahead and leave you guys. Next video, we should be working on the Jeep. We have some projects coming for it. But anyway, guys, I love you guys so much. And as always, deuces.